Welcome to Martin Farms, located in Hazel Green, Wisconsin. This is where I get to show my passion for milking dairy cows. Here, we milk 240 cows in a tie stall barn. Here, I milk roughly 50 to 60 cows with 4 milking units, while Hugo and Alberto milk the rest. First, I use pre-dip to clean the udder and teats. Then, I wipe them clean with a paper towel. Next, I put on the machine by hooking up the hoses to the milk line and by pressing start on the control box. After that, I hook the 4 pulsators up to the 4 teats. Once the machine comes off the cow, I use a thicker dip called post dip to help seal up the teat from getting bacteria in it. This is a 3-teated cow, so I only milk 3 teats, and the one that is bad I kink the pulsator to the hook on the shell, not allowing the milk to go in the line. Here is a treated cow that has to go in the bucket to be fed to the baby calves. During this process, you have to make sure you hook up the bucket hose to the machine and the machine hose to the bucket, not allowing the milk to go in the pipeline. This is also a 3-titted cow where I have to kink the pulsator to the hook on the shell of the machine. I'd like to give a special thanks to Brandon, Nicholas, Brent, and Pizer for allowing me to show my passion about milking dairy cattle.